We want to introduce you a little more in detail to our Botmark method for construction layout that we've developed here. What we're looking at here is a building that entails about 28,000 square feet. We laid this building out in about 12 man hours or a little bit less. We own 3 robots that we use for construction layout, and basically when we start a layout project like this in the morning, shortly after dinner, basically we're entirely laid out on a project here. The key to our method here is, the first key to our method is we've developed what we call a spin ruler. That's our bot marker, I should say it the way, that's the name we've given our system here. What we do though is we are marking wall partitions, not points. We use the referencing, the go-to referencing on the machine to set the prism down. Once the prism is set down, the referencing to the point gives us the center of this wall partition, and then we're able to mark it as a 2x6 wall. We simply rotate the ruler a little bit again, and here again it'll reference us to the center of that partition, and we're able to mark the wall partition. To explain to you a little bit in detail about how we establish those, knowing what the wall partitions are, part of our Botmark system is we've developed a plan conversion system here where we attach a code to the point which will tell you the orientation and the thickness of that wall, so we know to make, like, those marks you're looking at, to point them east and to point them to the west or whatever direction I'm sitting here. In addition to our codes that we develop now, we're able to sort the building out so that one of our robots can just lay out exterior walls, another person on our robot can lay out the corridor, and a main person, even before exterior and corridor are laid out, he's able to start marking the unit partitions, and they work as a team across the building here. And it works very efficiently. This is a little more of an updated version of the bot marker. We've got a slide rule in there with the pre-marked wall partitions. We get younger students basically have trouble doing the 1 3/4 conversion from a center line, so we make it so that it's as error-proof as possible for a person when they're using it here, which is important to anybody. But otherwise, if you're interested in our method, it'd be good to get a hold of us here. I'm Dean at Botmark.com, or you can get a hold of my son. His address is aonchuck, that's aonchuck at Botmark.com. Get a hold of us. We'd be glad to explain the whole method a little more to you, and the costs of getting involved with it, which you'll find very effective for your company, I bet you. Okay, look forward to hearing from you. Bye.